Right, oh, so here's the latest little project. Latest little project. You remember the Kawasaki ZX-7? I did only recently. Well, this is his good friend Nick's. So this 888 has been stood for 15 years. And we are going to bring it back to life so they can go out together on the classic Fantastics. So I think the first port of call on this one would be to let the main man Billy Valet give it the good going over before he even start taking parts off it, because it's a bit, I think it'll come up much better once it's had a spruce, and then we can start ripping all the bodywork off it and see what we find underneath. So then it'll be a full service, pair of tyres, battery. Oh, there's loads of life left in them, but how old are they? How old are they? Can't see the coding bubble. Where are you? Where are you? Can't really see it. Got it on this side. 06. And we're going to see 44th week of 2006. So the tyres are 20 years old, the bike's been stood for 15 years, and it is a 93. Yeah, 93, K for Kev. Kev is king. Right, okay. So there you go, there's the first little video, Nick. It's going to go on our page, and then this is where the story begins.
And here we go.